10 incredibly useful machines that you need to see. Welcome to an exploration of some of the most astonishingly useful machines that are transforming industries and daily operations. These cutting-edge tools are designed to tackle a wide range of tasks with impressive efficiency and innovation. Whether you're looking at heavy-duty equipment, advanced technology, or ingenious solutions for specific challenges, these machines represent the forefront of engineering and design. Fat Truck 2.8C. The Fat Truck 2.8C is a remarkable all-terrain vehicle designed to tackle the most challenging environments. Its rugged design and powerful engine allow it to navigate through snow, mud, and rough terrain with ease. What sets the Fat Truck 2.8C apart is its exceptional off-road capability, making it ideal for construction sites, remote areas, and emergency response situations. Its large, durable tires and high ground clearance ensure that it can handle obstacles that would immobilize other vehicles. Equipped with a robust chassis and a versatile cargo area, the Fat Truck 2.8C can be customized for various applications. It's often used for transporting equipment and personnel in difficult-to-reach locations, as well as for tasks such as snow plowing and firefighting. Construction Robotics Mule. The Construction Robotics Mule is a groundbreaking innovation in the field of construction and material handling. This autonomous battery-powered robot is designed to assist with the movement of heavy materials on construction sites. The mule's compact size and maneuverability allow it to operate in tight spaces and navigate around obstacles with ease. Its ability to transport materials like bricks, blocks, and tools significantly reduces the physical strain on workers and increases efficiency on job sites. One of the standout features of the Construction Robotics Mule is its automation capabilities. Equipped with sensors and advanced navigation systems, the mule can operate autonomously or be remotely controlled, making it a flexible solution for various tasks. Liebherr Reach Stacker LRS 545. The Liebherr Reach Stacker LRS 545 is an advanced piece of equipment designed for efficient container handling and stacking. This reach stacker is known for its exceptional lifting capacity and precision, allowing it to handle containers at great heights and distances. Its advanced hydraulic system and reach capabilities make it a crucial tool for ports, logistics centers, and industrial operations, where container management is key. What makes the Liebherr Reach Stacker LRS 545 stand out is its combination of power and agility. The reach stacker's high-performance components ensure reliable operation, even in high-demand environments, while its ergonomic design provides operators with excellent visibility and control. Fawn Trackway C40 Trackway. The Fawn Trackway C40 Trackway is a revolutionary solution for creating temporary access roads and pathways in challenging conditions. Designed for use in construction, military, and emergency response scenarios, this trackway system provides a stable and reliable surface for vehicles and equipment to traverse. Its modular design allows for quick assembly and disassembly, making it a versatile tool for various applications. One of the key benefits of the Fawn Trackway C40 is its ability to create access in environments where traditional roads and paths are not feasible. The trackway system is built to withstand heavy loads and adverse weather conditions, ensuring that it remains functional and secure even in extreme environments. Equipter RB4000. The Equipter RB4000 is an innovative piece of equipment designed to improve efficiency and safety in roofing and construction projects. This mobile lift system allows workers to elevate materials and tools directly to the job site, eliminating the need for ladders and scaffolding. Its compact design and maneuverability make it ideal for residential and commercial roofing projects, where space is often limited. The RB4000's advanced features include a hydraulic lift system that can reach heights of up to 12 feet, along with a sturdy platform that can carry substantial loads. This machine's ability to streamline material handling and reduce manual labor significantly enhances productivity and safety on construction sites. Sigma F3 125. The Sigma F3 125 is a high-performance agricultural machine designed for soil preparation and planting. This versatile tool combines several functions, including soil tilling, fertilization, and planting, into a single unit. Its advanced technology and robust construction make it an essential asset for modern farming operations, where efficiency and precision are crucial. One of the standout features of the Sigma F3 125 is its ability to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. The machine's adjustable settings allow operators to tailor its performance to different soil conditions and crop types, ensuring optimal results. Its durable design and high-capacity components contribute to its reliability and effectiveness in various agricultural applications. Energreen ILF 1000 Communal. The Energreen ILF 1000 Communal is an innovative multifunctional machine designed for municipal and environmental maintenance tasks. Equipped with a range of attachments, including mowers, brush cutters, and sweepers, this machine is capable of handling a variety of tasks related to landscape management and public space upkeep. Its versatile design allows it to operate in urban and rural environments, providing a comprehensive solution for maintaining green spaces and infrastructure. The Energreen ILF 1000 Communal's advanced hydraulic system and user-friendly controls make it easy to switch between different attachments and functions. Its robust construction ensures reliable performance and durability, even when operating in challenging conditions. Gensem 593R Cobra. The Gensem 593R Cobra is a powerful and efficient machine designed for processing and chipping wood and biomass. This high-capacity chipper is equipped with a robust engine and cutting system, allowing it to handle large volumes of material quickly and effectively. The HEM 593R Cobra is used in various applications, including forestry, landscaping, and waste management, where its ability to produce high-quality chips is highly valued. One of the key features of the Gensem 593R Cobra is its advanced chipper technology, which ensures precise and consistent chip size. The machine's efficient processing capabilities reduce the need for additional equipment and labor, making it a valuable asset for operations that require large-scale wood processing. The FarmBot. The FarmBot is an innovative agricultural robot designed to automate and optimize various farming tasks. This cutting-edge machine is capable of planting, watering, and monitoring crops with exceptional precision. Its advanced sensors and software allow it to perform tasks such as seed planting, soil monitoring, and pest detection, providing valuable data and insights for farmers. What sets the FarmBot apart is its ability to operate autonomously and integrate with smart farming technologies. The robot's user-friendly interface and customizable settings allow farmers to tailor its performance to specific crops and field conditions. Kemper Studi. The Kemper Studi is a high-performance machine designed for advanced crop harvesting and processing. Its cutting-edge technology and versatile design make it suitable for a wide range of crops, including grains, vegetables, and fruits. The Kemper Studi's efficient harvesting system and sophisticated controls enable precise and effective crop collection, enhancing productivity and reducing waste. One of the standout features of the Kemper Studi is its ability to handle different crop types and field conditions. The machine's adjustable settings and advanced harvesting technology ensure that it performs optimally in various environments. Its durable construction and high-capacity components contribute to its reliability and effectiveness in large-scale harvesting operations. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.